No, it is not necessary to have a blue checkmark on Twitter to run ads. The blue checkmark is a verification badge that Twitter gives to accounts that are considered to be authentic and notable. It does not have any impact on your ability to run ads. However, there are some benefits to having a blue checkmark. For example, it can make your account look more credible and trustworthy to potential customers. It can also help you get more engagement on your tweets, which can lead to more clicks on your ads. If you are considering running Twitter ads, I would recommend applying for the blue checkmark if you meet the eligibility criteria. However, it is not essential for running ads. Here are the eligibility criteria for the blue checkmark on Twitter. Your account must be authentic and notable. Your account must be active and have a good standing on Twitter. Your account must not violate Twitter's rules and policies. If you are not sure if your account meets the eligibility criteria, you can contact Twitter support for more information. I hope this helps.